mas actually wild pa yung hindi natin nakikita dyan. Doon sa tulong-tulong!
Pero for once, can you open the house lights, please?
Para lang makita
Can
natin
you
yung
turn
mga
on the
tao
house
lang sa
lights?
likod.
If you can turn on the house lights, please, para makita naman natin yung magagandang angkabog-kabog ng mga people sa likod! Can you please turn on the house lights?
Dapat yata si Billy ang magtanong. Kasi parang yung English na.
Pinakinggan nila yung English mo at saka nila yung mic mo.
French yata dito, Billy.
The number you dialed is not being serviced. Then, I would like to ask if we can just turn on the house lights so we can see the beautiful people that's here tonight.
Yes, please.
If we can.
Yes, please.
No?
No can
If possible
do.
daw.
Extra $10 daw para magsakina.
Mapakapagpilan na tayo.
But in the meantime, guys, we are so happy. And I'm personally so happy to be back here in Edmonton! Kasi this time kasama ang buong Showtime family.
Yes!
Hindi na kaya Edmonton lahat yan, ha? Iba dyan bumiyahe ng 6 hours ba? Dito kayo. At yung iba dyan, hindi pa bayad ng tickets, ha?
Sino dito taga-Calgary?
Sino rito ang taga-Mandaluyong? Nakakatuwa. I was here in Edmonton 2 years ago at may bumalik ako kasama buong family ko ng Showtime at Santa Makmak na madlang people na narinito. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, magandang gabi.
Right, sakto. Yes, please.
Naggaling na rin ako dito, siguro mga 3 years ago, pero ang sarap bumalik kasi nakikita mo naman ang kanilang pagmamahal. Kahit nakita ka nila, babalik ulit sila para makita ka ulit.
Kaya tayo, ako first time ako dito sa Edmonton, kaya super excited kami to be here. Tignan natin kung excited